Hey guys!
Hello!
Welcome back to another episode of GameCat. Today we are playing Lego Racers. I'm here with Anna.
Hi.
And okay, we are going to go into a versus race.
You're gonna win. Do something easy so I don't die.
Let's see.
Also, what do these controllers do?
Okay, I only have one thing unlocked. So...
You only have one choice.
Alright, we're 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 choices.
Well, let's do the, because Marauders.
Yeah.
Okay, did you press OK? Press OK.
Alright.
There you
go. Let's see. Joan of Cart, Turbocharger, Scooter. That reminds me of Scrubs. Anyway, Robo Race.
Why is it not letting me go? Is this the broken ass one?
No. Wait. Maybe. That's my original...
I'm just gonna say Joan of Cart.
My original controller.
Yeah, I mean, this thing seems pretty broken to me.
It's all... I mean... How about this? At the end of this video, we'll get the new controller.
Okay. This is probably gonna be really bad then.
Because we kind of can't stop mid-video.
Yes, we can.
I mean...
By the way, I forgot to set the time.
Yeah, whatever.
Oops.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
Realm plaque is used, blah, blah, blah.
Enter the controller. Okay. I thought it was like, please insert coins. It's like, no. Wait, where am I? Who am I?
You're on the bottom.
Am I on the bottom? How do I press... What do I do? Do I press A to go?
You're going, so...
Okay. Okay. Woo! Yeah. This kind of reminds me of Barbie. Shit! Where am I going?
What am I doing?
Where am I going? Where am I? Legitimately, where am I going? Seriously.
What am I doing?
I don't know. I haven't gotten any of the Lego pieces though. Am I supposed to get Lego pieces?
Yes, they're power-ups.
Oh, okay. Well, I haven't gotten any. Mostly because I'm like trying to just not die. No! Dang it, I keep missing them. Hold on. No, I got this. I got this. Okay.
Come on. No! Come on. And I believe it is Z that does the thing.
Oh god. What thing? What thing?
Uses your power-up. And I'm now in first.
I hate you.
No, you don't.
Where is Z? What's Z?
The one on the bottom.
That one. I don't know what I just did.
You just hit me.
Oh, cool. Oh, there you are. Hi.
This is so hard to control.
No. You see, I would actually be having a little bit more fun right now if, like, I heard them sounds. But, like, no.
Of course not.
No. Like, I can't hear the sounds.
Because, God forbid.
Wait, am I actually beating you? Yes! I'm actually beating you. Oh, wait, shit. No, go. Okay. Can we talk about the fact that I'm like drunk? What did you just do to me?
I just slung past you.
How dare you?
How dare I?
How dare you? How dare I? How dare I?
I love how this is just like just going back and forth, just trying to stay straight.
It's like I'm a drunk driver. Kids, this is why you don't drink and drive.
Okay.
You're not a Lego piece. You can't be put back together.
And wink.
How did you do that?
All 3 all 3 white things plus a green one is a wormhole.
Oh. We'll find them.
That's just kind of a thing that happens.
How many laps do we do? Oh.
3.
Well, that wasn't fun.
And we're gonna go to another course then.
Okay. What are we doing? Our course.
Well, let's go to the moon.
Marathon? Let's see.
Turbocharger. Let's do this.
I'm gonna scooter.
Alright, let's do a thing.
Gotta
here.
be a scooter.
Gotta go fast.
Oh Jesus. Okay. Is this like in Mario Kart where if you press it early you like get a boost? No, you don't.
I think so.
You think so or you know so?
I don't know.
It's neck and neck. It's nose and nose. It's toes and toes. Oh shit. Hey.
You know.
What? Okay. I got the blue one.
I mean, if like what's supposed to happen is if you get the right combination, it'll do a thing.
It'll do a thing? What
Yeah.
thing? Am I lost? No, I'm okay.
No, you're just way far behind.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da. Yay!
The dome piece there is supposed to open.
Oh, okay. That's fun. I just thought, like, you know, if I went through, like, the first blue one, I'd have to go through, like, all the blue ones. Ah! I got this. I can do this. I can do this. Oh,
this.
fuck. What is that? What just happened? No! No! What happened? What's happening to me?
You fell right into my trap.
What the fuck is that?
It's a curse.
Yes, except for the fact that, like, I tried avoiding it.
Yeah.
You can avoid those things, so it's not like I really had a choice. Unless I just stopped my cart and I just refused to go further. Whee!
I'm gonna be courteous and wait for you to catch up before I beat you. Because I'm a courteous rival like that.
Are you really?
Yeah, see, there you are.
How did you even do that, though?
I told you.
Because I went past you.
Three whites and then a green equals wormhole. It shoots you farther ahead.
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know you did a wormhole. Mostly because I wasn't watching you. And also because I don't care.
Actually.
What are you doing?
Desert Adventure Dragway.
Are we? Are we just gonna do all 4 of these?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so we each have to be a different character, so I'm gonna be the Robo Racer this time.
I'm gonna be Scooter.
Woo!
Short for Scooter Pie. I hate Scooter Pie.
What's Scooter Pie?
I don't know.
What the Well, what even was that? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, fuckity fuck fuck fuckity fucker butter fritter 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 fritter. Yum. How do you remember all these combos? Because I certainly don't.
It's actually not that hard to remember.
Well, it is for me.
Look out, Anna. Here I come.
Why do you just always do a wormhole? Like, that's so unfair.
Okay, fine. I'll play fair for the rest of the race.
Exactly. Because, like, that's the only reason that you've been winning. Wait, what's this?
I opened up a shortcut.
Oh, that's cool. Don't you just love, like, whenever I was doing Mario Kart whenever I was playing Mario Kart and I was doing one of the time challenges, I would actually use that to just, like, adventure around, like, some secret passageways. What the fuck? What do you mean? What? Will you stop? Stop me! I was wondering what the that was.
Oh,
Fucking bastard.
I try. The white one?
No. You can't use it.
I wasn't trying for that.
What do these circular thingies do?
They are shields.
I got it! Yes! Woo! I beat you! Yes! Yes!
Bask in your glory for right
Yes. I thought this was gonna be awful. Like, I thought I was gonna be awful at this. But I'm actually doing pretty well. Okay, so I did you. Did I use the turbo charger?
No.
No, I did not. Okay, he's the last guy. Okay. The rumble pack is real. Okay. You ready for this, bitch? Are you ready for this? 2, 1. Go! Whee! Don't near me.
Fine, no more Mr. Nice Racer.
Get out of here. Which way am I f***ing going?
Get over here.
Oh, that one goes behind you. Okay. Well, that's fun. Okay.
Huh.
I got this. No, I got this. Wait! Where am I going? Where am I going? No, seriously, where am I going? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Meow. Hey Kevin, can you name this episode Obligatory Airplane Noises? Meow. Huh. There we go. Wrong way.
What do you mean wrong way? I am going the right way, bitch.
Too easy. Huh? Where'd you come from?
Out of nowhere. And I didn't even use a warp. I'm just that cool. Also, I'm like completely out of control.
As I get a warp.
Don't you f***ing dare.
Why? What are you gonna do?
Oh, you told me you wouldn't.
Fine, I'll wait for you.
No, keep going. I am in front of you again. What will you do?
Very simple.
Stop telling me the wrong way. I'm going the right way, bitch.
Very simple. I'll just pass you again.
That would be the alarm, but I'm not going to touch it because I'm busy winning. So you're just going to have to deal with constellation sounds for the next 30 seconds.
What's that about winning? Oh my
You son of a bitch!
Oh my god.
No, like, did you see that? I was just about to beat you, and you fucking. Oh, okay. We're done. We're done. Goodbye.
So that was Lego Racers. If you guys want to watch us play it again, just leave us some comments down below. Let us know. And as always, see you guys next time.
God damn it.
Bye.
Bye.